You're watching Mirror Now. I'm Gauri Singh. First up in the bulletin, let's get you some very important updates coming in on the issue of cryptocurrencies. The proposed crypto bill in Parliament has not only sought to ban crypto as a mode of payment in India, but according to reports, anyone found using crypto as currency may face arrest without warrant and may be held without bail. The government also plans to come down heavily on crypto advertisements that seek to woo investors. The tougher new regulations actually stem from the RBI's concerns over digital currencies. According to sources, SEBI may be the regulator for cryptos.
The government is well set to introduce the cryptocurrency bill in ongoing parliament session. We are getting from our sources that there is some key provision that has been made in the proposed bill. The sources has informed that the cryptocurrency will not have legal tender, but it will have legal status. It will be considered as a financial asset. Sources has also informed that the market regulator SEBI may oversee the regulation of cryptocurrencies. Apart from that, if there is any kind of violation, there is a provision of fine that could be as much as 20 crore rupees, and there is some specific range that could be in anything between 5 crore to 20 crore. According to the provision, there is also a provision for jail term. The sources have informed that there could be, jail term of 1.5 years. Apart from that, the government is also considering to decide some threshold limit for the investment, especially to protect the small investors. There could be also a exit route for the current investors to declare their investment, pay legal taxes, and come out from the current investment. So all these provisions have been made. We are also getting from our sources that cabinet may approve it anytime soon.
Let me go across to our colleague Tanima Biswas, who is joining us live from Mumbai newsroom. So Tanima, we just heard about the proposed legislation, but once introduced, what exactly is it going to entail specifically with regards to violations? Could you just break it down for us?
That is, we've tried to bring the crux of what the proposed bill is actually about. And the main points are what we have highlighted for our viewers today. So essentially, the first point that the proposed bill, the summary of the bill, as per the reports, suggests that that cryptocurrency cannot be used as a medium of exchange. That is something which the government is very, very keen on. That in terms of digital currency, most private cryptocurrencies will not be allowed in the country. Secondly, mining, selling crypto as medium of exchange will be prohibited. This is, of course, an extension of the first point where the government, it seems like that's the mindset that they have at the moment, is that cryptocurrencies cannot be used as a medium. So even any mining or selling of it will also be banned. Flouting the rules. Now, that is, of course, the important part which has drawn attention. Now, there is, of course, this is source-based information, but what it seems at the moment is that flouting of any rules in terms of this proposed bill could, in fact, draw, some sort of penal action, because it will be considered a cognizable offense, and it may even lead to an arrest without a warrant. So any flouting of rules, most of the provisions which have been put on this bill, if there is a flouting of any of those rules, it could actually draw an action like an arrest without a warrant, and flouting of rules may also be considered a non-bailable offense. As we know that at this stage, of course, these are all reports which are coming in that the government is likely to bring in this bill in the parliament very soon. But this is the summary which has come out so far of the main aspects of this proposed legislation.
Right, Tanima, thank you so much for joining us and giving us all those details.